Hi guys, great work in chapters 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 3 is going to start introducing us to mediums. Now, that's not what comes between a small and a large. The medium is what the art is literally made of. Singular, one kind of thing, is medium. If you're doing multiple types of materials, then it's called media. So we're going to look at a variety of media that can be used for 2D, 3D, and even 4D art. The medium of an artwork is the medium that an artwork is made of can affect the artwork's worth and the value of it. So here then is where we're going to pick up the rest of chapter 2 that we kind of skipped off on. Most of these are mediums that you're probably familiar with. And chapter 3 deals with more specialized kinds of materials. Now, while we're going to be talking about individual kinds of mediums, keep in mind that many times multiple media are used together in a single mixed media artwork. Also take note that this isn't an exclusive list. Many artists use non-traditional kinds of mediums. An example of that would be artworks that are made of reclaimed or repurposed items. So, artists have spread their wings and they are working with materials that most of us never imagined trying to work with. Now, chapter 4, we're going to take all of those pieces that we've learned about so far, along with a couple of new concepts, and we're going to begin to learn how to read an artwork. Now, we've got the elements and principles from chapter 2. We have the mediums that's used to create the artwork. And this week, we're going to throw in a term called representation, also known as the artwork's form and style. Now, pay attention to these concepts. They will be used later, hint, hint, in the final. Okay? Now, chapter 4 does have an extra assignment. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. Do not wait until the last minute to start it. It kind of goes and it helps to tie chapter 3 and chapter 4 together. It'll take some additional time. It requires a little bit of research, but stick it out. You can do it. And here we go. Representation and style.